Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to unpin a message on WhatsApp. If you've pinned a message in a chat or group and want to remove it from the top, I'll show you the simple steps to unpin it. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're inside the app, you'll see all your active chats. Step 2. Now, open the desired chat or group where the message is pinned. If you've pinned something important to the top of a conversation, it'll be right there. Step 3. Once you're in the chat, long press on the pinned message at the top. You'll notice that the message is highlighted, and a few options will appear at the top of your screen. Step 4. Finally, tap on Unpin. This will unpin the message, and it will return to its regular position in the chat. That's all it takes. You've successfully unpinned the message. It's a quick and easy way to manage important messages without cluttering your chat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated with new tutorials.